Hello, today I will show you how to fix particle board water damaged. Step by step. First, remove any obstructions on the surface. Later, pry the laminate to check for damage. The laminate sheet is easily torn, so you need to be careful. Cut out the swelling plywood with a knife or cutter. But I use a knife because it is stronger than a cutter. Blow hot air into the side plates to soften them. Pry the side cover off with a knife. Do with caution. Gently pull out the side plate. It may take a little force. This side was swollen as well. Smooth the sides with sandpaper. You don't have to use a knife because it doesn't swell much. Make sure the sides are snug against the top surface. Attach the top surface plate with glue. But since the laminate is torn from each other, it has to be used with wood grain panels on top. Stick the wood pattern stickers on top. You can choose the color you like because if you install all the new laminates, you will be spending a lot of money. It's looking okay for me and I like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share it, and subscribe to my channel.